The CHILD Study children were born between 2009 and 2012, so the last child just turned 5 in October 2017. During that time, we did 2,800 5-year study visits, and the CHILD Study staff are just finishing off all of those assessments and analyzing the preliminary results. To celebrate this major milestone and to thank the children and the families of the CHILD Study, each of the 4 sites held a special celebration. The 4 sites of the CHILD Study are in Vancouver, Edmonton, Winnipeg, and Toronto. In addition to the families of the CHILD Study, each of the site invited local dignitaries from provincial and municipal governments. CHILD Study staff also presented research findings, and media outlets were there to share this information across the country. But the real stars and the real VIPs of the event were the children. These children were presented with Young Scientists Awards to thank them for their contributions to the study. What's amazing about the CHILD Study is 93% of the original group are still involved with the study after these 5 years. This is an amazing feat for a longitudinal birth cohort study like CHILD. The 5-year study visit is considered a milestone because the original primary outcome of the CHILD Study was doctor-diagnosed asthma at age 5 years. Over the 5 years, CHILD has collected 600,000 biological samples and 500,000 questionnaire responses that are being analyzed to understand how the early life environment affects health and well-being later in life. The study is now expanding beyond the original 5-year mandate. CHILD plans to follow children and families into a longer-term study with clinical visits at age 8 years and possibly even 11 and 14 years. We expect that as we move into the next phase of the CHILD Study and we collect even more samples and data, that we will be able to learn many more exciting things about child and youth health.